Good morning, everyone. In network programming, today we are discuss experiment number two. The main aim is study about the LAN, MAN, WAN, and all the connection of the devices. There are the various types of networks available. We can categorize them according to their size and their purpose. The size of the network should be explained by the geographical areas and the number of computers which are a part of the network. It includes devices housed in a single room or the million of the devices across the world should be connected. Basically, there should be a categorize the network in terms of PAN, LAN, WAN, and a MAN. Some of the most popular types are PAN, personal area network, LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN is wide area network. Now, the various connections in the networks. Now, how the study of these networks are detailed. What is PAN? PAN is a computer network formed around a person. It generally consists of a computer's mobile, PDA, personal digital assistant. PAN can be used for establishing communications among the personal devices for connection in a digital networks and the internet. There are some characteristics of PAN. It mostly personal devices networks occupied with limited areas allows to handle interconnection of input out in the IT devices and surrounding on a single users. That includes mobile devices, tablets, laptop, and it can be wireless connected to the internet cable in WPN, the wireless personal area network. Appliances for the PAN is cordless mic, keyboards, Bluetooth systems using. Advantages. There are the most pro benefits of the using PAN networks. PAN are relatively secure and are safe. It will provide short range of solution under 10 meters, strictly restricted with the small areas. Disadvantage, it has established a bad connection to the other networks in terms of the same radio bands. It should be providing when the connection should be creating, then it should be bad in terms of the failure occur. Distance limits, because we are already discussed, we are just few meters everywhere. The next one is local area network. Local area network is a group of computers and the peripheral devices are connected with the limited areas such as school, laboratories, home, offices, and sharing the resources like printers, games, and other applications by using local area network services. A network consists of less than 5,000 interconnected devices across the building. They are having some characteristics. It is a private network, so an outsider of regular bodies will never control it, and LAN operates at a relatively higher speed compared to the WAN systems. And these various kinds of media access control medias like token ring and Ethernet are used for the LAN services. Advantages of LAN: computer resources like hard disk, DVD-ROM printers, shared local networks, and then significantly reduce the cost of the hardware purchasing in the same software of the network instead of purchasing the licensed software for each client in the network. And all the data of the user can be stored on a single hard disk of the server computers, and you can easily transfer the data and manage over the network computers. The one of the other advantages is to manage the data only in one place, and the facilities for sharing a single internet connections among all the net users. Some of the disadvantages: LAN will need it to save cost because shared computer resources, but the initial cost of the installing local area network is quite high. It checks personal data files and every LAN user, so it does not offer good privacy. Unauthorized users can access the critical data of an organization in case of LAN admin is not able to secure the centralized data as a repository. In terms of required constant LAN administration as issues related to the software setups and the hardware failures. Now move on to the wide area network. WAN is another important computer network which is used across a large geographical area, and WAN is basically a connection of LAN with the LANs using the telephone lines, radio waves is mostly limited in enterprises or the organizations. Some characteristics of WAN in terms of advantages, or we can say the software license will be among all the users, therefore it can be accessed the latest files and any organization, the globals integrate the network using the WAN services. Advantages: WAN helps used to cover large geographical areas and business officially we can see the office situated a long distance and easily communicate between them. Container device, mobile phones, laptop, tablets, computers, consoles. And WLAN connections network using radio transmitters and the receiver to build to the client devices. Disadvantages of WAN, the initial setup of the investment is initially when we are starting using the WAN, the investment is very high and difficult to maintain the WAN network. You need a skilled technician and a network administrator to maintain all these. And these are the more error issues because the wide coverage and the uses of the different technologies. It is a difficult task for the WAN and requires more time to resolve the issues because the involvement of multiple wired and wireless technologies. So this is the WAN and this is the disadvantages of the WAN categories. Now move on to metropolitan area network is MAN. It's a computer across the entire cities, college campus, small regions, these types of larger than a LAN, which is mostly limited to a single building or a site. Depending upon the type of the configuration, it allows you to cover to area and several miles or 10 of miles. It has a distance. Characteristics of MAN in terms of there is important characteristics of the MAN network at most covered around the cities and a maximum of 50 kilometers range. Optical fiber cables they are using data as adequate for distributing computing applications. Some of the advantages when we are comparing with this benefits using a MAN, it offers fast communication using speed carriers like fiber optic cables and providing for these connections. It provides excellent support. The size of the network, greater access to the WANs. The dual bus in a MAN and a networks provide a support transmit the data in both the direction concurrently, one by one. They are sending concurrently and MAN is mostly included some areas of cities and entire cities. Disadvantages of MAN. Here are the drawbacks. Cons in the using the MAN networks. You need more cables to establish MAN connections from one place to another place. In a MAN network, it is tough to make the system secure from the hackers and other types of the networks. Just specifying, just like the examples are giving some important types of network: WLAN, storage area network, SAN, system area network, HAN, home area network, passive optical LANs, enterprises private network, campus area network, and the virtual networks are using with us. Let us see in terms of WLAN. The communication is a limited area like home, school, and offices. Will use an ability to around the local coverage. It may be conducted in a network. Mostly WLAN are based on the IEEE based in terms of the standard is the 802.11 standard. SAN they allow the consolidated data. They are having a block the level data in terms of using it to store devices like arrays, optical juice box, and tap libraries. And the third one is system area network. In terms of we can say system area network is used for a local networks. They offer the high speed connection in the server to server and the processor to processors applications. SAN networks operate at single time and quite high speed. The fourth one is passive optical local areas in terms of PON. There should be a technology that helps integrate the structures cabling. It allows you to resolve the issues for supporting Ethernet protocols, network applications, optical splitters, which help to separate the optical signals from a single mode optical fiber and it converts the signal into multiple signals. Home area network. Home area network is always built using two or more interconnected computers to form a local area network for the home. And for example, in United States, about 15 millions of homes have more than one computers. So this type of computers to own the interconnected with the multiple computers to sharing the data like files, printers, and other peripheral devices are using for them and for using the home area network. The enterprises private network in terms of they are using in a building and owned by the business that want to securely connect a number of numerous location into order to share resources on the computer and resources. Can it should be a campus area networks. A campus area network is made interconnection of lands with a specific geographic area. For example, if a campus can be linked with a variety of campus buildings to connect all the academic departments. Virtual private networks. The next one, the virtual private network will use public networks to connect remote sites or the users together. And the WAN network issues the virtual connections and throughout the information from the enterprises. Private network or the third party is a VPN is remote like this. Let's see or paid a service that keeps web browsing in a private Wi-Fi hotspots are providing in this particular technology. So guys, these are the summaries when we are discussing about the network categories, size and the purpose. The PAN, the network is generally consists of a computer mobile application, digital assistant, local, the group of computer peripheral devices are connected, and a wide is another important part separate across the large geographical areas. In man consisting of a computer network across the entire city, college campuses, and the million is providing a wireless local area network which helps to a single user or the multiple using it should be a wireless communication with limited areas like home, schools, offices, and building. SAN is a storage and the type of the network is allow consolidate block level data storage. And there are several applications storage and networks and the process application they are using. The other category is VLAN is help to integrate the structures cabling. LAN is providing with them their home area network and build two more interconnection computers from local computers. And enterprises network in terms of EP and building their own business that want to secure connection connected various locations. And the CAN is made of the interconnection of LAN specify the geographical areas which should be specified. And WAN is a private network which uses a public network to connect the remote side and the users together. So this is the type of the networks in terms of local area, wide area, metropolitan area, and then the other some point we are discussing the PAN area networks, SN networks, and networks. These are the different categories, also putting applications are connected to the computers and sending use the categories of the services are utilized for the whole in terms of local home, schools, offices, buildings, and the worldwide area we are connected to this. So these are the categories of the computer services. Thank you.